Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shamila. Good morning, Ella. Hi, Laisel. Hi, Milan. Guys, you know you have a model practice assessment today, right? It's a practice of what you studied.
Ma'am, I can hear you.
You're not able to hear
Yes.
me? Are you guys able to hear me? Give me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Laisel, please refresh. I think it's from your side. Others are able to hear me. See, in the first hour, you will be having model practice assessment. Okay? English, math, science. It's a like a practice for what's going to come on Friday. Do you remember we did a revision? I gave you time to study science, English. So do well,
Yeah.
okay? So if you want, you can just take a time, go through your lesson notes now. Vardha ma'am will be joining in the first hour. What happened? Why everyone is so dull today? Do I need to make everyone share their screens?
Let me try restarting. I can hear you.
Refresh laser.
No? So what's the first model test?
It's a combined English, math, and science. You don't have separate.
Oh. Then Hindi.
Then,
Then Hindi.
no, we are only having Hindi is tomorrow, right? Hindi assessment.
Oh. But showing in the calendar Hindi is today.
Share your calendar.
Okay. 1 second, ma'am.
Let me check.
Ma'am, say exams like language classes.
Where is Hindi today? I don't see any Hindi today.
Ma'am, look at this model exam language class.
Model exam is in the normal class, not in the language class. That I'll correct. But
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
you guys have to join here itself. Okay, don't go and join anywhere else.
Okay.
Let me correct it. So start studying. I think you need
So,
to.
English, science, and math we have to study.
Yes, English, science, and math you have to study. Amila, turn on the camera. Okay, Laisal is back.
Yeah.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yeah.
Good. So, Laisal, first hour you are having model assessment of English, math, and science. Science I already gave you time to study, right? So you have 5 minutes to practice.
Huh?
To practice if you want to practice.
What, ma'am?
Amila, you are having. Amila, please mute first of all. First of all, you need to learn to listen to instructions, please. First hour, if you have checked the calendar, you have model assessment. It is English, math, and science. It's a practice, not a real assessment. So, after 5 minutes, it will start. Vardha ma'am will join. So, please, if you want, you can study now. Go through the lesson notes. In the first hour, you won't have time to study. Also, anyone who has not submitted the project yet? Milan, have you submitted? Lazel?
I did, ma'am.
I got it.
I think I did.
What do you mean you think? Did you make the pollination model? Did you write about
Um,
pollination bee? Yes, Amila.
Ma'am, can you rejoin because
Yes.
you are stuck?
I'm going to check whether you guys have submitted. Or Milan, if you have not submitted, now I'm going to talk to you further. Because this is the second time I gave you time in class. None of your works are there. Did you
no,
submit?
because no, I don't have enough money to buy that, so
Where's your poster? I still haven't received your poster.
but that I almost completed. I'll send it today.
No, Milan, you have not submitted. Where have you submitted? Milan, you have not submitted. You want 0 mark? I'm not going to give you a mark if you're only bringing on project day. Good job, Amila. It is looking very nice.
Ma'am.
Did you make a Canva?
No, tomorrow is our afternoon. That's why I
Yeah,
got
that's fine. I'm gonna show everyone's project just in case if you want to get an idea. This is Amila's. This is her pollination model. This is the English part. What is the video, Mila? Where's the math?
Yes, the video on explaining how it happens. Pollination.
Where is the math part?
That part is in the leaf project. That's
Okay, you have to add here also.
to here too.
Yes, here also.
And why and a big and are they?
Lazel, where is your project?
Which one?
Project. Where is your project?
Making the second flower.
Today is the deadline, dear. I'm not gonna give you mark. You cannot make the project at class. You have to make it from home. You got 3 weeks to do the project. You still have not done. Good job, Helena and Amila.
Abhilasha ma'am, first year they are having combined class, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just leaving.
Okay.
It's in PYA1, right?
Yes, in PYA.
Bata ma'am is supposed to join, I think.
Ma'am, did you call me?
She told that she will be joining.
Okay, yes.
Maybe she will be joining.
Guys, everyone take your papers. Pen, get everything ready. Milan, Amila, Helena, Laser, come on, hurry up. No going out in between. Take your paper, pen, and get everything be ready.
Okay.
Yeah, Vardhaman is here. Abib and Al-Fatih, please turn on your camera, okay? And all the best for everyone.
Hi everyone.
PYA2 Sidra is on leave too, ma'am.
Okay.
You will join for the assembly.
All right.
PYA1, everyone is here.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.